Let's see how to send SMS marketing messages to your existing customers, and also when they reply to that particular message, how to use AI to respond to those messages over here. So let's say you have some customer list over here. So here, demo customer list, and you have to actually download this one as a CSV right here. So here, use a CSV, and you can simply upload this one in the contacts tab as well. So here in the contacts tab, you have the option to upload your contacts right here. And if you're planning to send any sort of SMS messages, you have to make sure you connect your Twilio number right here. So if you click on channels over here, in channels it will take you directly to the settings. So in channels SMS, you have the option to connect your Twilio number. So you will need to just get your authentication ID and the auth token from the Twilio account. So here you have to get these two details from your Twilio account and connect it on our platform by choosing the phone number. So it will take just a few seconds. So now let's see how to upload the contacts over here. So here you have the actions, and you have the actions import contacts. So it will actually provide you an option to select a CSV file. So let me select this particular CSV file where we have just one contact with test name, this particular phone number, and this particular email. So let me do that over here. I have chosen this particular CSV list, and here source, whether it is a messenger or telegram or WhatsApp or phone number. So let me choose phone number right here, and here you have to add the country code. So like here in this case, let's say this is United States. So here the phone number field in this particular CSV file right here. So as you see, we have this one phone number will be saved in this phone number field in our system or the platform, and the email will be email, and the name, because here we have only just a single name right here, so that will be saved as the first name. So we don't have any last names over here. And here you can also add a specific tag as well. So if you want to create a new tag, you will have to actually do that before uploading a contact. So you have to actually go to the flows section over here, and in the flows section you have this tags option over here. So here in the tags you can actually create a new tag. So in this case I'm going to actually choose an existing tag. Let me choose FB lead form. So what happens is that the particular contact we are actually uploading will be added a tag which is called as FB lead form, and you can even set specific variables as well if you want. Click on continue over here, and it says one contacts were imported, and click continue. So here if you go to the contacts, it says test name is here, and here if you go to the inbox, you have the option to initiate a chat through SMS or WhatsApp as well. So WhatsApp, you can only send the template messages over there. So now let's see how to send a broadcast message to this particular contact as a promotion. So here we have this tag FB lead form right here. So we want to send that broadcast message only to these particular people who have this particular tag. So in this case, this is just one contact. So let me go to the flow section and create a broadcast message. So let me say Black Friday offer. Black Friday offer, and click continue. So here let me grab the message we want to send to them. So let me send this message. Hi, first name, this is John from Apex Roof Solutions. Our Black Friday offer is here. Would you like to learn more about it? So let me send this message right there. So here, hi, first name, this is John. Would you like to learn more? Simple as that. So we want to actually send this as an SMS. So choose SMS right here. All right. So make sure this is a publish as well. Make sure to publish this one. All right. So now we want to actually create an AI chatbot for this one. So when they actually reply to the customer's messages, we want to handle it as well. So here we have this information or prompt right here about this solar company. So let me copy all this information right here. As you can see here, we have the information about the Black Friday offer as well. So here if they actually interested or wants to know about the Black Friday, it simply asks them to call this specific number to get 30% off or something like that. So let me do like this. So here if I go to the settings over here, go to settings, and in settings integrations, OpenAI ChatGPT, click on edit over here, and here let's say you are a helpful assistant to this particular company, and replace the prompt right here. So here if you see, we are also passing the customer conversation history as well, so that the AI chatbot know whether they are actually interested in this particular Black Friday or not. So based on that, it will simply send messages to this particular customer. So here let me click continue over here, and make sure to activate this one as well and click save. So now we want to send the broadcast message right here. So choose broadcast messages over here, and here we want to actually send an SMS broadcast. So choose SMS over here, and here what is the flow, which is a Black Friday offer. So this is the flow we just created, and who you want to send this one. So when do you want to send, you can choose none. And here what is the tag, so here you can set the tag, filter contacts by using the tag. And if you remember, we set the FP lead form when we import the contact, so we have only one receiver as you see here. So let me click send over here, click continue. So that should actually send the broadcast, and it says sent. So now if we go to the inbox over here, we should see this message sent as an SMS, and as you see, it says hi test name, this is John, and our Black Friday offer is here, would you like to learn more about it? And it says our Black Friday offer includes up to 30% off on roofing installations, repairs, these kind of things, and call this particular number for your free estimate today. So I can ask other questions as well. So let me say, where are you located? So it should actually respond based on the information we have provided right there. So it should actually respond to us right here, and as you see, it says we are located at this particular address right there. So an agent can jump in this particular omnichannel inbox and send messages from here as well. And that's a quick video on how you can use SMS marketing using AI chatbot. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.